Good morning, friends. A long time no see, but welcome back to a new studio vlog. Today is a Saturday. It is June 22nd and I am about to make a lot of candles today. I already started this morning. I'm going to show you guys what I finished this morning, but as you can see, my hair is still wet. I just got ready. It is about 11 in the morning. I already had breakfast and now I made myself an iced vanilla latte. I just use vanilla milk, like vegan vanilla milk, and add a shot of coffee on it and an ice cube, of course. But yeah, I'm going to devour this and then also start on my big to-do list of candles that I have to make. I have to replenish my physical store in Bruges, but then I also am doing a few markets this summer, so I want to start building my inventory for that. So that is also something that I have to do today. So I have quite a to-do list today, but I am very excited to spend the day with you. I have until 6 o'clock until I have to pick up my son, so I'm going to try and bust out as many hours of work as I possibly can. This is, by the way, my current setup and where I make my candles. It is a big mess because, I mean, it's a small apartment, but aside from that, I have a bunch of things here that I already ordered for the markets, which are taking up a lot of space. And this also needs a little bit of cleaning. And this is where I left my desk. And as I mentioned this morning, I already finished off some candles. I finished off the Oopsie Daisy candles. Then this is a new candle that I am working on. Still have to design the labels, so stay tuned for those, but these smell heavenly. And then I also labeled the latte candles, which I finished yesterday night. But yeah, I'm just going to go ahead and get started. I don't know if I will be able to talk a lot in this video because, as I mentioned, I have a lot of work, but we'll see. Maybe I'll combine it with another day. We'll see where the video and the day takes us. Currently I'm burning the 10 lines candle. It is burning so smoothly. Look at that. Everything is burning right up and I love this scent so much. This one is part of our summer collection, and if you love like the scent of sunscreen and monoyi, you would absolutely love this one. Also, listen to the sound it makes. It's just such a relaxing sound in my opinion. Alright, I think it's time for a refill because it is already almost at the minimum. I'm running low on wax, but my supplier is also sold out at the moment, so I hope they will be restocking soon because this is all I have left. Alright, so this is all that I have left. So if I get a huge wholesale order now, I am screwed. So I definitely will be contacting my supplier, asking them when this wax will be restocked because I really need it. I spent all night yesterday evening prepping my jars for today, which is why I'm going through them very quickly. But I cleaned out and wicked those yesterday, and as you saw, I just poured these. These are the cozy candles, and then also I have one cozy that is a special request, so I will be finishing off those later today. I already cleaned out and wicked these as well. And then I have some more jars that are ready to go over here that I also prepped yesterday evening. I have my iPad right here so that I can watch some YouTube videos while I make some candles. But I do have to take a quick break, not because I want to, but because my wax is still melting. So I can't really do anything. As I said, everything is prepped, so I'm just waiting on my wax to melt. now 4:45 and I think I'm going to wrap things up because, as I said, I have to pick up my son at 6:30 or around 6:30, and it is now almost 5 o'clock. So I also want to get in some me time before he arrives. So I'm just going to finish up a few things and then I'm going to head out the door and pick him up. I did get a lot of stuff done. I will probably finish off some candles once he is asleep tonight. So I think I will pick up the camera again at a later time. But for now, I am going to chill a little bit.
Hello, Ramona. I can't shake this